Stone Cold and Mankind. But look, it's 2-on-1, JR. Just what I told you would happen. Stone Cold, Mankind, and Kane all fighting outside the cell. Come on, get him in the Kane. He's got him up. Tremendous move by Kane. Great reversal by Steve Austin. Partner looking out for him there. What a punch. A shot to the gut. And right now this resembles more of a bar fight than a wrestling match. Paul Bearer, from my vantage point, looks to be locking himself in the cell. Well, he knows he's safe in there as long as Stone Cold is on the outside. Kane and Austin battling outside. They'll meet at the King of the Ring this Sunday for the championship. Oh, look at this. Mr. McMahon has to be the smartest man in the world to make this happen. Wow, that might have broken his jaw. Kane is just punishing his opponent. Stone Cold's head has been cracked wide open. There, I can't believe it. Stone Cold's been put away. The Undertaker making it perfectly clear that he's not in cahoots with Paul Bearer. Come on, Mankind and Kane, get in there. He'll destroy him. Paul Bearer locked himself in the cell, and there's no one to help Paul Bearer. What an impact from that kick.